Uyghur Muslims are rounded up and interned in camps. Tibetan monks and nuns are forced to undergo political re-education sessions. Falun Gong practitioners are reportedly sent to legal education centers for indoctrination. Churches are shuttered, crosses removed, and Christian believers harassed and imprisoned. And it leads many observers to describe the current wave of repression as the most severe since the Cultural Revolution.
Sometimes maybe we are having too many headlines. We were not the ones that started or initiated the rise of temperature. Decouple the two economies. We are the two largest economies.
Bottom line is this, I mean, we cannot allow ourselves to, or have our foreign policy or our commitment to human rights to be decided by whether or not there's going to be retaliation. That's fine with me. I mean, I don't have a problem with them retaliating. It shouldn't stop us from doing what's right and calling attention to this.
Religion threatens communism. Communism is a totalitarian understanding of the world, of what a human being is.
I hope the U.S. government will take a strong action against the officials responsible for torturing me, and the death of my little boy, and the death of so many innocent Uyghur people.